All right, so that compass is pointing north. Basically there, the arrow. Now I'm going to plug in the electromagnet, which has the opposite polarity, and it's pushing it away. So if I change the polarity, north and south trade places on the electromagnet, and now it's attracted. So if I move it, it follows it. So that's seeking north, which means this must be north and it's south. So there we go. And again, if I switch it off, it resets. And that's about it for that little test. I just wanted to prove that north and south, that the electromagnet produces a north and south, and when you reverse the polarity, they trade places. It's in this tub here with red dye and water, and we're going to hook it up to turn on the power.